This is my head. Can you touch your head? Yes? You did it. Good job. Say it again. This is my head. These are my eyes. Can you touch your eyes? Yes. You did it right. Great job. Say it again. These are my eyes. This is my nose. Can you touch your nose? Very good. You did it. Let's say one more time. This is my nose. This is my mouth. Can you touch your mouth? Well done. You are doing amazing. Let's say again. This is my mouth. These are my ears. Can you touch your ears? Excellent. You did it again. Say one more time. These are my ears. Very good. These are my arms. Can you move your arms? Very good. You did it. Say it again. With me. These are my arms. These are my hands. Can you clap with your hands? Great. You did it. Let's say again. These are my hands. These are my legs. Can you touch your legs? Well done. Now, let's say one more time. These are my legs. These are my knees. Can you touch your knees? Great job. Now say it again. These are my knees. These are my feet. Can you stand up and jump with your feet? Great job. You jumped very well. Let's say again. These are my feet. Very good. Little learners, I'm so proud of you. Let's point and say together. Head, eyes, mouth, ears, hands, arms, legs, feet, knees, nose,